Hello world, this is LockpickingDev. Today I have a Goal S. It is 5 pins. 4 of them are gins. One of them is a T-pin type of pin. And this is a really fun lock to pick. I'm not sure if it has counter milling or not in it. I don't remember when I gutted it the first time, so we'll pick it and figure out at the end. To me, it feels a little bit easier to pick than the gins and the acid counter milling. So again, 5 pins. Pin 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, number 2 again, go pin 2, 2, 3, and hear how they're kind of snapping in. That's what I'm saying. They're not feeling like the acid gins, so I'm feeling like there might not be counter milling in this. There's 5, 4, 3, 'Feel like maybe 2 is on a gin that I need to set. Maybe not. Oh. More on 4. 1. Oh, there's our open. Okay, there we go. So we will. Here's our key. C is actually pretty good bidding, but the keyway is just wide open and super easy. Let's go ahead and zoom out here. And put that there. This isn't for a belt or anything, but I figure get on camera just for funsies. There we go. Let's see, I need my tools now. And this has a little tailpiece, weird tailpiece in the back. I'm going to go ahead and relock it because I do have the key. It has a C-clip in the back, so just take that off right there. There we go. That off, take that little... Oh, I forgot. This does not come off, so I need come here, this style of follower. That way it goes over it just a little bit, and I still need to use the shim to cover the gap. So that's what I'm going to have to do. So we will go ahead and put the key in. That way we can make all the pins hit shear. Put our shim in over. Here we go. You all have better view. Sorry about that. Over the drivers there. Try not to push the plug out when I'm doing it. It would be a bad thing to do. And then what I'm going to do is push it through. And that shim. There we go. Cover that gap. Like that. Looks like, okay. One of them started coming out. We'll go ahead and just take that one out first. So there it is, pin driver 1. Oh, that's our little T pin. Driver 2. it's such a tight keyway that the springs, that the drivers are hollowed out for the springs to fit in as well. 3, 4, 5. There we go. Set that up there. Get our pins in order here. And then for the key pins, where's our key? There we go. Why is our key being dumb? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let me orientate those. Go. And there's our key. Go. Yeah, I'll just get rid of the body right there for the moment. It's okay. Here we go. So if you look at our driver pins, like I mentioned, they're all barrel except for the first pin, which is like a T-pin here. And these barrels here, they got a nice sharp lip on them. They're also, as I mentioned, hollowed out. If that'll focus, there we go, hollowed out so that the spring will fit inside of there, because there's so little space to fit that whole spring and driver pin up there. So that's why those are hollowed out. Let's check our plug. Yeah, the plug is milled. So we see it, there we go. So maybe the, because the pins look like they're pretty sharp, maybe the milling on here isn't so sharp, and that's why it was a little easier for me. I was letting go of my pressure and letting it kind of rotate, and well, kind of rotating and let it rotate itself. But it was also, there's many times when I was pushing on it where it did kind of give me a little bit of feedback of a spool at the same time. So I knew to, do that kind of rotation and allow it to give way in that sense. But there we go. That is, despite what the key says, it says P on it. This is a Goal S. That is a 5-pin lock, all gins, and the counter milling up top. Really fun lock. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.